Hi, I'm Jason Kohlmeyer. Thanks for tuning in this week. This week's question comes from Alex from Mankato, and the question is, how much does a divorce cost? And that's a tough question to ask. It's a fair question, but it's a tough question to answer, rather. And that's because it's like asking, what does a car cost? Well, you don't know. What do you need it to do? Do you need the car to go fast, a Ferrari, 200 miles an hour? Do you need a F-350 pickup truck? Or do you need just a solid, reliable Toyota Corolla? What do you need? And so, when you get asked that question, when I get asked the question, what does a divorce cost? I really have to say, well, what are we going to be fighting about? Because every reputable divorce lawyer that I have ever met charges an hourly rate. And because of that, what happens is, depending how long, how much work is involved, how much time, that's how much it's going to cost. So, for the question, to answer the question, the main things we fight about in divorce world are this: kids and property, and to a certain extent, spousal support, which is similar to property. But talking about the kids, it's hard to put a price on because we can't do a cost-benefit analysis and say, well, your odds of winning your custody that you want are 75%, multiply that by some other number. We can't do that. And so it really boils down to, what are you looking at in terms of parenting time, custody? Do we have a feeling we can get it? What does the custody evaluator cost? So I know I'm giving a general answer, but the nickel version really is this: is a normal divorce is probably anywhere from maybe $1,500 on the very, very low side to $3,000, $5,000, $7,000, $10,000 on the higher side. But that's if it's a normal divorce. If it's a divorce involving a business, a privately owned company, if it's a divorce where we have to go to trial on the custody for the children, if it's a divorce with alimony, dropping $20,000 to $25,000 is not unheard of. And so I know it's a big range, but there you go, Alex from Mankato. I hope that gave you some sort of answer. What I would suggest doing, call your lawyer, call a lawyer, give me a call, and I'll be happy to give you basically a quote on what I think it will cost. I'm Jason Kohlmeyer, Rosengren Kohlmeyer Law Office, answering your family law questions in Minnesota. Thanks for tuning in.